Hi there, I'm Rachelle B. Marmito and I'm interested in becoming a business virtual assistant. I am currently working in the education field and now starting my journey into remote or work from home opportunities. In my previous role, I was an ICT coordinator. I learned to use different tools and quickly adjust to new systems. I often handled reports, schedules, and admin tasks, which helped me become organized and reliable. To improve my skills, I've also taken online courses in bookkeeping and have hands-on experience with QuickBooks, where I've practiced creating invoices, categorizing transactions, and reconciling bank statements. This has helped me become more confident in handling financial data or reports when needed. I believe I can help your company by supporting clients with their daily tasks, keeping things organized, and making their work easier. I'm excited for the opportunity and look forward to be part of your team.